it took me so long. Had you up waiting all night. Baby, I hope it's alright. Yeah, 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 yeah. Running down 7th and Spring Street. I know you've been telling me the same thing. Lately you've been telling me this ain't me. Nah, 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 nah. You right, you right. You right, you right. Yeah, yeah.
Uy, baka mamaya may ganun pa. Yeah!
You right, you right. You right, you right. Yeah, yeah.
Pero sabi ko pinakabahan, baka mamaya hindi I do, I don't.
Here I go.
Darlene, matanong ko lamang, sa dinami-dami ng lalaki, ano ba nagustuhan mo din kay Francis?
Baka po kinapikot lang.
You right, you right. You right, you right. Yeah, yeah. You right, you right. You right, you right. You right, you right. You right, you right. Yeah, yeah. You right, you right. You right, you right. You right, you
Francis, Darlene, katapusan na ninyo. Katapusan ng pagiging binata, katapusan ng pagiging dalaga, sapagkat kayong dalawa ay mag-asawa na. Darlene, bukal ba sa iyong lobong ipagparito makasang dibdib si Francis na iyong pakamamalit paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Francis, bukal ba sa iyong lobong ipagparito makasang dibdib si Darlene na iyong pakamamahalit paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Pero may nagbigay sa'yo niyan. Check mo yung laman.
My Bob, for every minute we've shared and all the hours still ahead, I choose you. Always. Mrs. Gamboa. Wow. Wow.
Mamaya na kayo umiyak. Dapat pogi kayo. Pogi dapat. I love you. And kahit mag-asawa na ako, hindi ko kayo pababayaan ng daddy. And daddy, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Hindi ko din kayo pababayaan. Mahal na mahal ko kayong dalawa. Bob, I never imagined that I would find my forever in someone I lovingly call Baba. Because yes, you are a big baby, but only with me. And I love that I get to see the side of you that no one else does.
Sure na to.
Lagi mong tatandaan, ikaw pa rin yung utoy ko. Ikaw pa rin
Kuya Toy.
Kuya Toy ko. Ikaw yung hinintay namin ng napakatagal. Dumating ka, ikaw yung prinsipe talaga ng pamilya.
From the moment we met in college, you were always thinking ahead. About tomorrow, about next year, about us. With you, I get to let out my inner child while also growing out of it because you gently help me become better without ever making me feel small.
You're a galaxy of stars. Beating on my heart. You're a lighthouse on the sea. Every note is symphony. You're the rising of the sky. Bringing colors back to life. I see you. You'll never go unnoticed.
caring, gentleman. O, ikaw, Francis, ano nagustuhan mo din kay Darlene?
Napaka selfless po, mapag-alaga at totoong magmahal.
Parang pan-showbiz ang iyong sagot eh.
OMG!
Buksan mo na.
Ano kaya to? 1 million! I know you are eyeing for this long time ago. This is the symbol of my love. A love that will never fade and tarnish. Congratulations to us and see you later. Love, Bob. Wow! Nice. Ang gusto ko lang sabihin ay, mamaya ka sa akin.
Hindi mawawala sa aking memorya ang ating unang pagkikita. Year 2015 sa garden ng LPU. Sabi ko kay Vicente, yun yung cute na inad ko sa Facebook pero ayaw kong i-accept Sabay-sabi, kaklase ko yun eh. Tinawagan ka niya at ipinaklala niya ako sa'yo. At doon nagsimula ang lahat.
I love how you're naturally impatient, but also how you're becoming patient because of me. I may not say this often, but I appreciate you, even the small things you do for me.
I understand this path of life we chose will not always be easy. Even when life is messy or completely uncertain, I choose you. Through burnt dinners, hard day, and every setback, I'm staying. All those challenges and struggles are nothing because we are as one, together with the one above. Always remember, I'm all in.
Bob, ikaw ang pahinga ko, ang tahanan ko, at ang habang buhay ko. And with all the love, laughter, and faith in my heart, I choose you. Always. Nagmamahal, Mrs. Gamboa.
It's chemical. It's chemical. It's chemical. It's chemical.